Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women Autonomous. Dr. YSRHU College of Horticulture, Anantarajpeta. Aditya Degree College, Gazuwaka.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam.
పేపర్ అది 100% 90% రెడీ అయిపోయింది సార్. మేము క్లౌడ్ గా కూడా నెట్లిఫై వాడుతున్నాం సార్.
పోస్టర్ పేపర్ రెడీ అయిపోయింది మేడం.
90% అయిపోయింది సార్. 10% పెండింగ్ గా.
లింక్
నెట్లిఫై వాడుతున్నాం సార్ మేము. నెట్లిఫై.
ఓకే మేడం.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం. గైట్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్, డాక్టర్ వైఎస్ఆర్హెచ్యు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ హార్టికల్చర్ అనంతరాజుపేట, బీవీసీ కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్, జేఎన్టీయు జీవీ కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ విజయనగరం, ఆదిత్య డిగ్రీ అండ్ పీజీ కాలేజ్ ఫర్ ఉమెన్.
సార్ అటెండ్ అయ్యాను సార్, ఉన్నాను సార్.
ఆదిత్య డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్, డిగ్రీ అండ్ పీజీ కాలేజ్ ఉమెనా సార్?
అవును సార్, ఉమెన్ సార్, రాజమండ్రి సార్.
మీది పోస్టరు పేపర్ రెడీ అయిపోయిందా సార్?
రెడీ అయిపోయింది సార్. గిట్హబ్ లింక్ కూడా యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్, కానీ క్లౌడ్ లింక్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం సార్. ఇంకా
సార్ లింక్ కూడా యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు.
ఓకే సార్, గిట్హబ్ లింకే వాడుతాం సార్ ప్రస్తుతానికి.
ఓకే సార్. సార్ ఆంధ్ర యూనివర్సిటీ, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఆంధ్ర యూనివర్సిటీ, విష్ణు ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ టెక్నాలజీస్.
Sir, 90% of the work is completed, sir.
ఏది మేడం? విష్ణునా మేడం?
అవును సార్, విష్ణు ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ టెక్నాలజీస్ సార్.
సార్ ఏంది మేడం పోస్టర్?
పోస్టర్ 90% completed and remain 85% with the paper, sir.
పేపర్ లింక్ మేడం?
Hello.
లింక్ మేడం?
Cloud link, sir.
క్లౌడ్ లింక్ వాడుతున్నారు కదా మేడం?
Sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం. బీవీసీ కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్, బీవీసీ కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్.
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్ సార్.
సార్ మీది పోస్టరు పేపరు ఎంతవరకు అయింది సార్?
80% వరకు కంప్లీట్ అయింది సార్.
80% మేడం?
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్ సార్, 80% అయింది సార్. అంటే మేము క్లౌడ్ లింక్ వాడలేదు సార్, గిట్ హబ్ వాడుతున్నాం.
ఏదండి?
యాక్చువల్లీ వీఆర్ నాట్ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ క్లౌడ్ లింక్.
ఓకే ఓకే.
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే సార్. డాక్టర్ విఎస్ కృష్ణ గవర్నమెంట్ డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ అటానమస్, ప్రగతి ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్, గోదావరి గ్లోబల్ యూనివర్సిటీ, శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర యూనివర్సిటీ కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ సిఎం అండ్ సిఎస్.
Hello, sir.
హలో, చెప్పండి.
This is Bharat Kumar from Sri Venkateshwara University College of CM and CS, sir.
సార్ మీది పోస్టరు పేపర్ ఎంతవరకు వచ్చింది సార్?
సార్ పోస్టర్ అండ్ పేపర్ అయిపోయినాయి సార్, రెండు కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయినాయి. క్లౌడ్ లింక్ మాకు ఇంకా అవేర్ లేదు సార్, వీ నీడ్ టు వర్క్ ఆన్ ఇట్.
ఓకే సార్.
సార్ అది ఏమైనా రిసోర్సెస్ కానీ ఆపరేషన్స్ సెండ్ చేస్తే కొంచెం
మనం మీటింగ్ స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఒకసారి మనకి సార్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు సార్.
సార్ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది సార్.
మీకు ఆ లింక్ సంబంధించి మొత్తం అదంతా మీకు మీటింగ్ ఎండ్ అయిన తర్వాత మీకు ఏంటనేది చెప్తారు.
ఓకే సార్, షూర్ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
సార్ మిగిలిన వాళ్ళందరూ మ్యూట్ చేసుకోవాలి సార్, ప్లీజ్.
Hello sir, this is Ashok from JNTU Vijayanagaram sir.
JNTU Vijayanagaram sir?
Yes sir, JNTU GV sir. Yes sir.
JNTU GV College of Engineering.
Yes sir, yes sir.
సార్ మీది పోస్టర్ పేపర్ ఎంతవరకు వచ్చింది సార్?
సార్ పోస్టర్ 90% అయిపోయింది సార్, పేపర్ 80% వర్క్ అయింది సార్. క్లౌడ్ లింక్ పోస్టర్ కి యూస్ చేసాం సార్. ఎస్ సార్, 80% సార్ పేపర్.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
సార్ ఆదిత్య యూనివర్సిటీ సార్.
ఆదిత్య యూనివర్సిటీ.
Dr. RVS Lalitha, sir. We have completed paper, sir. 95% completed. And poster also we are working on it, sir. Almost 50 to 60% completed, sir.
Link, madam?
A link we are working on it, sir. At GitHub also, we will provide GitHub link also, sir.
Yeah, thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Sir, my name is. Hello, sir.
Sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Dr. Omkar, sir, from Vignan College, sir. Vignan Institute of Technology, Visakhapatnam.
Sir, Vijnana?
Vignan, sir, from Visakhapatnam, sir.
20 minutes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir. Sir, నేను పిలుస్తాను సార్ కాలేజ్ వైజ్ ఒకసారి మీరు అప్పుడు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి సార్.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చి కేఎస్ఆర్ఎం కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్, ఆదిత్య ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ టెక్నాలజీ అండ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్.
ఫ్రమ్ కేఎస్ఆర్ఎం కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్.
మేడం మీది పోస్టర్ పేపర్ ఎంతవరకు వచ్చింది మేడం?
సార్ 90% పోస్టర్ అయిపోయింది సార్. లింక్ కూడా జనరేట్ అవుతా ఉంది సార్, వర్క్ చేస్తా ఉంది.
జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. పేపర్ వర్క్ మేడం?
సార్ పేపర్ వర్క్ కూడా అయిపోయింది సార్ 90%.
90% అయిపోయింది. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం.
ఓకే సార్.
సిద్ధార్థ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, I am from PVP SIT Vijayawada, sir. Praveen Kumar.
Sir.
Poster was completed, sir.
ఏదండి?
Poster completed, sir. Poster completed.
Okay, sir.
We are working on paper for results, sir. For better results, we are working on that.
Sir, okay. Link, sir?
Links we will get, sir. After finish of the paper, we will get the links, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Aditya Degree College. Siddharth వచ్చేసింది.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Andy.
Sir, we are from Siddharth Engineering College, Siddharth Institute of Engineering and Technology.
Okay, Siddharth Engineering. Already ఒకళ్ళు రెస్పాండ్ అయ్యారు సిద్ధార్థ్ వాళ్ళే.
Sir, అది
Yes, sir. PVP SIT, sir. This is PVP SIT. PVP Siddhartha, sir. PVP Siddhartha.
Puttur Siddhartha, sir. Tirupati.
ఓకే. ఓకే సార్, నేను సార్ మీ దానికి నేను వస్తాను సార్. అప్పుడు వచ్చిన తర్వాత మీరు చెప్తారు కానీ.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే సార్, మీది ఎంత అయింది, ఎంతవరకు అయింది సార్ సిద్ధార్థ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ వాళ్ళది?
సార్ మాది 70% ఆఫ్ వర్క్ అయింది సార్, అంటే పేపర్ అండ్ పోస్టర్. విత్ ఇన్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే ఆర్ టుమారో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సబ్మిట్ ద పేపర్ అండ్ పోస్టర్ ఆల్సో. ఫర్ ద క్లౌడ్ లింక్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ వెర్సెల్ ఫర్ ద ప్రోటోటైప్. మీకు ఆ పోస్టర్ అండ్ పేపర్ మీకు క్లౌడ్లో కావాలన్నా వీ కెన్ యూజ్ ద గూగుల్ డ్రైవ్.
Yes, yes. Thank you, sir.
సరిగ్గా కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే
ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ సార్.
చెప్పండి మేడం.
ఆదిత్య డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ గాజువాక ఇందాక చెప్పాం కదా సార్, అవి 2 టీమ్స్ సార్. ఒక టీం వచ్చేసి నెట్లిఫై చెప్పాం కదా, ఇంకొక టీం గిట్ హబ్ లో చేస్తున్నారు సార్ లింక్. అది కూడా 90% అయింది సార్. ఆదిత్య డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ గాజువాక 2 టీమ్స్ సార్ మాకు ఇక్కడ. ఒకటి విన్నింగ్, ఒకటి రన్నర్. ఒక టీం వాళ్ళు నెట్లిఫై సార్, ఆల్రెడీ ఇందాక ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేశాను. అదర్ టీమ్ ఈజ్ వర్కింగ్ ఆన్ గిట్ హబ్ లింక్ సార్.
ఓకే మేడం.
ఓకే సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం. Next, Vijnan's Institute of Information and Technology.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I am Dr. Omkar, sir, and our work is almost 70% completed, sir. Paper and poster presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
And front end we are using Git, sir. Back end we are using the Ender, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Git link we will provide, sir. Very soon we will provide, sir.
Okay, sir. Narayana Engineering College, Guduru.
Good morning, sir.
Sir.
Myself, Dr. Sivaramakrishna. We have completed both poster as well as paper.
Yes, sir.
The deployment link is in GitHub.
Sorry, sir.
Both poster and paper are completed, sir.
Sir, your voice break out.
Yeah. Sir, both poster and paper are completed, sir, actually.
Yeah, okay.
Hello.
Okay, sir. Link,
and the
sir.
deployment is link, GitHub link, sir. We will provide GitHub link.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, we are from Vignana University, Guntur.
Okay, sir. I will నేను పిలుస్తాను సార్ అప్పుడు ఒకసారి రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి సార్.
Sir, actually I don't know Telugu, sir.
I will call you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Our attendance is institution wise will go on. Please respond at your college. SV University College of Engineering, SKU College of Engineering and Technology.
Sir.
Madam, good morning, madam. Hello.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, Kuldeep from SK University, sir. SKUC, College of Engineering and Technology.
Sir, మీది పోస్టర్ పేపర్ వర్క్ ఎంత వరకు వచ్చింది సార్?
Sir, poster and paper is completed, sir. GitHub మీద వర్క్ చేసినాము. మీరు నిన్న ఇచ్చిన క్లౌడ్ లింక్ వి హావ్ డన్ సర్క్యూట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ వర్క్ చేసినాము. క్రెడిట్స్ అడుగుతుంది సార్.
మీ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది సార్.
అవునా సార్?
చెప్పండి.
క్లౌడ్ లింక్ లో మేము సర్క్యూట్ కనెక్షన్స్ వరకు చేసినాం సార్, బట్ ఫర్దర్ కోడ్ డంప్ చేయాలంటే ఇట్స్ ఆస్కింగ్ క్రెడిట్స్ లైక్ $500 అడుగుతుంది. వి ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఆన్ ఇట్ సార్, బట్ ఇనిషియల్లీ GitHub మీద వి హావ్ వర్క్డ్ ఇట్ సార్.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
We have completed.
Sir, good morning, sir. This is Madhukant Ravi from Danekula Institute of Engineering.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, my project is successfully executed, sir. Next paper is also completed, sir. And poster is also 95% completed, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, good morning, sir. Myself, Lalu Prasad. I am from Aditya Engineering College and Technology, Surampalem.
Engineering College.
Yes, sir. Asset, sir. Surampalem, Kakinada, sir.
Great.
We have shortlisted 2 teams, sir. Both teams are prepared poster and paper, and we will share all the details through the GitHub, sir.
Okay, sir. Aditya Engineering College.
Aditya College of Engineering and Technology, sir. Aditya College of Engineering and Technology, ACET, ACET.
Surampalem, sir?
Yes, sir. Surampalem, sir. Surampalem.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, JNDU College of Engineering, Anantapuram.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hello. Sir, we have completed paperwork and posters, sir, and we are working on hosting in Vaisal, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Learning.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Andy.
I am from LBRC, sir. We have completed paper, sir, and post also almost completed, sir.
Paper completed. Link, sir?
Yes. Sir, link will post, sir.
Okay, sir.
Hello, JNTU, Vijayanagaram, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, hello? Hello? St. John's College of Engineering and Technology. G. Pullareddy Engineering College. KVR Government Degree College for Women, Karnool. Silver Jubilee Government College, Cluster University, Karnool. JNDA College of Engineering, Autonomous, Anantapuram. G. Pullareddy Engineering College. Rayalaseema University College of Engineering. Adarsh Degree
Hello,
College.
sir. Rayalaseema University. Hello, sir.
Okay, sir. Meedi paper work, poster work ఎంత వరకు వచ్చింది, sir?
Yeah, paper and poster completed, sir. So we are working on deployment.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, we are from G. Pullareddy Engineering College, sir.
Yes, sir.
G. Pullareddy Engineering College, Karnool.
Pullareddy. Okay, sir.
Sir, we have completed paperwork and poster work also, sir.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Link, sir.
Yeah, we'll share, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Others Degree College.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, this is from JNTU College of Engineering, Autonomous Anantapur, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we have two teams and both the teams have completed paper and poster presentation, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Others Degree College. Aditya Institute of Technology and Management. Geetham University, deemed to be university. Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology. Chennai Institute of Technology. GH Rai Soni College of Engineering and Management, Pune.
Good morning, sir.
Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning. We are from CIT, sir.
CIT. Yes, sir.
Indian Institute of Technology.
Sir. Sir, what is the status of poster and paper?
Sir, poster completed.
Yes,
we
sir.
have two teams, sir. One
Yeah.
of us have completed the poster and the other has also completed the poster.
Yeah.
The paperworks are almost done, sir. It will take about a day or so.
Yeah, okay.
Otherwise, it's prototype about 75 to 80% completed, sir. Just accuracy testing is mandatory. Like we have to do that.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
RMK Engineering College. The LMM Institute of Information Technology. Vidya Doti.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
We are from Aditya Institute of Technology and Management, actually, sir.
Aditya Institute of Technology. Sir, మీది పోస్టర్ పేపర్ ఎంతవరకు వచ్చింది సార్?
We have completed both poster and paper work almost 90%, sir.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good morning, sir. This is Ram Babu Pemla from Vidya Jyoti Institute of Technology.
Vidya Jyoti.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, paper and poster is completed, sir.
Yes,
we are
sir.
going to upload the link, sir. We are trying to upload the link.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, good morning, sir. This is Geetham University.
Geetham University, sir.
Sir, our students have done that poster presentation as well as the paper publication is not published, but we are ready with the content. Whenever you are accepted, then we are ready to submit all these details.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. This is GH Asuni College of Engineering and Management.
Sorry, sir. Which college, sir?
GH Asuni College of Engineering and Management.
Yes, sir.
We have completed the poster and research paper, and we have uploaded it on GitHub.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. Malne Lakshmi Women's Engineering College, sir.
Malne Lakshmaya.
Sir? Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Poster and paper is completed, sir.
Poster and paper is completed.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. By using the GitHub, 90% completed, sir.
90%. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. This is Satya Sandeep from Vignans Nirulla, Guntur.
Vignan Nirulla, sir.
Sir, regarding poster and paper, so 100% they are completed, sir.
Yeah. Okay,
And
sir.
we have deployed the project in the GitHub, sir. So we'll migrate it to CloudLink.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. We are from Godavari Global University.
Okay, madam.
We have completed the poster and paper also, sir. And we have deployed our project in Vercel and also uploaded in GitHub also, sir.
University poster. Okay, thank you, madam.
Good morning, sir. This
Good morning, madam.
this is from Pragati Engineering College, sir.
Pragati Engineering College. Yes, madam.
So we have completed poster and paper, sir. We have also uploaded GitHub project in the GitHub.
Okay, madam. Thank you, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam, sir.
We are from Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham, sir, Amravati campus.
Amrita Vishwavidyalaya.
Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham, Amravati campus.
Yes, sir.
We have completed the paperwork and also poster present. Both are ready. And we have deployed the link in the GitHub, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam.
So we are from RMK Engineering College.
Okay, madam.
We have 2 winner-up teams and 3 runner teams. Winner teams are completed with 90% of poster and 90% of paperwork, sir. Prototype is 60% complete. And for the winner teams, 60% of the poster is complete and 70% of the paperwork is complete and 50% of the prototype is complete, sir.
Yes, thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir. So, sir, we are from SRM University, AP.
SRM University. Okay, madam, sir.
So, sir, our paper is 80% complete and our poster is 90% complete, and we have deployed our link on GitHub. We will migrate it to the cloud once we are ready with the prototype completely. Our prototype is almost ready, but yeah, we need some changes.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam.
This is Vidyasri from Guiding
Madam, your
College.
break, voice break out, madam.
Guide Engineering College, sir.
Yes, madam.
We are from Guide Engineering College, sir.
Okay, madam.
We are done. We're done with poster as well as research papers, sir. We have minute enhancement, so we are working on deployment, sir.
Yeah, okay, madam. Thank you, madam.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
We are from KL University, sir, Guntur.
KL University. Okay, sir.
We have completed the paper and poster, sir.
Okay, sir.
Cloud link will be completed in 1 to 2 days, sir. We are working on it.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So we are from Krishna University, sir.
Krishna University. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Machilipatnam. Sir,
Yes, sir.
we completed 90% of work, poster work and paperwork, sir.
Yeah,
Present,
okay.
we are using GitHub link, sir.
Yeah.
We work on cloud work, cloud link, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam.
Sir, we are from Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham, Chennai campus, sir. So we have one winner team. We have completed the poster work, sir, and paper almost 90% over. And tomorrow we'll provide the GitHub link, sir.
GitHub link. Okay, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, I am from Potti Sriramulu Engineering Chalabadi Mallikarjun Rao College, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, paperwork completed, sir. 2 teams, sir. One team is the runner, another team is the winner, sir. So
Yeah.
2 paperworks are completed, sir, and posters are pending, sir. 60% work completed, sir.
Poster.
Poster, sir.
Yeah. Paperwork is almost completed, sir.
Paperwork almost completed, sir.
Okay. Link, sir.
Paperwork completed, sir.
Link, sir. Cloud link.
Cloud link, sir. We not added, sir, but we are looking at it, sir.
Sir.
Hello?
Sir, GitHub link, sir.
Yes, sir. GitHub link, sir.
అది అయిపోగానే షేర్ చేయండి సార్.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
సార్ గ్రూప్లో సార్ లేకపోతే పర్సనల్గా సార్?
గ్రూప్లో సార్.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇంకెవరైనా ఉన్నారా సార్? అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకున్న వాళ్ళు.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, sir. This is.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
Good morning, sir. This is from RGKT RK Valley.
RGKT, yes sir.
RK Valley. We got 2 winner teams. Both the teams have completed up to 90% of the poster, 80% of the paper presentation, and also the prototype is almost completed. Once we complete the prototype, we'll deploy it on the cloud servers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
This is Akshay Kumar, sir, from Vijnana Foundation for Science, Technology and Research.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, I am Dr. S. Subhasan, Gayatri Vidya Parishad College of Engineering for Women, Visakhapatnam, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, both poster as well as papers, 95% is completed, sir.
Okay.
Vidya Parishad College of Engineering for Women, sir. Visakhapatnam.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
I am working on link, sir.
Yeah, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam.
I am Dr. Anuradha from Gayatri Vidya Parishad College of Engineering, sir. We have 2 teams. 90% of the work is been completed, sir. Both poster as well as paper.
Yeah, madam. Link, madam.
One team has completed the link, sir. The second team has worked on Git. So they will convert it to Google Cloud also.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. This is Dr. Ranjan Balachan from Vivekanand Education Society's Institute of Technology, Mumbai. Our team has completed paper as well as poster. My question is where to upload all these documents at a GitHub or some other place, and GitHub link is to be given to them.
Yeah, madam. Hello.
Sir, good morning, sir. Where to upload these things, sir? GitHub link is to be given to whom?
Hello. ఒకళ్ళ తర్వాత ఒకళ్ళు మాట్లాడండి మేడం, ప్లీజ్.
Hello, sir. I'm not getting.
చెప్పండి మేడం.
Sir, I don't understand. Please speak in English.
Tell me, madam.
Sir, my question is, my point is that our team has completed both paper and poster. Only thing I want to know where to provide these details.
Yeah.
And whether we have to upload these things on GitHub.
Yes, madam.
Okay. And what about our project?
Project is.
Madam, you have to upload in your GitHub and share with us. We will also share the link from our side. Okay.
There we have to upload our links, GitHub links, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
we will submit these all these in GitHub, sir, like poster, all this.
RGKT News Video, madam.
Good morning, sir.
We are from RGKT News Video.
Yeah.
Sir, we have done with paperwork and presentation, sir. And we are also ready with cloud links, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
We are from RGKT Ongole.
Yeah.
We almost completed our papers and we are ready with prototypes. We need to deploy, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
We are from IT Institute of Technology and Management, sir, Techally.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have completed our paperwork and poster presented 80% of the work, sir. And the prototype has been completed so far, sir. We are ready with the links. We are waiting for your information, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Just a minute. We will take details later, and we will also share the link from our side. You have to share all your details, all your posters, papers, and other things into that portal link also. Okay. So now I request please unmute your videos and mute your mic, so that now we can go for training program for 1 hour, where you can improve your prototypes or use cases, and you can refine your presentations so that it will be very keen competition. Before that, I would, otherwise we can do one thing. After their presentation of this Qbraid portal or cloud, we can again discuss about the paper presentation, poster presentation, as well as other prototype presentations. Now I may request all the participants, Sparks, whether your students are ready there along with your laptops, their laptops.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So please ensure that every participant must have their own laptop or the institutional laptop ready with the links I have already shared. So they have to keep open those links and ensure that there is a high connectivity, network connectivity should be there. Now I may request Prithviji and other team members for a brief training about one to 1.5 hour training is there. Actually, it is intentionally arranged program because you have to know, you have to inform all the students that it is going to be a very big program. It is as well as an outcome-based one, where most of the finalists will get job in IBM itself immediately. So we have promised them to ensure the top 100 people who can give the solution, who can give the proof of concept, who can come with the prototype, who can give the use cases, will be provided with the jobs by December itself. And before that, we will also shortlist the candidates for a training, a rigorous training at IBM facility on different algorithms. We are not only looking for the computer science students, we are also looking for a multidisciplinary one. That may include the life sciences, commerce, finance, etc. So in this case, we want to include every discipline. Those who have ever an idea or a bent of mind to design the algorithms will be placed. So no doubt the first criteria for the selection of this placements at IBM will be the hackathon only, because our students are also already into this journey for quite a few months, 2 months. There is a continuous improvement in this their solutions. We have given only 10 problem statements, but in the future there will be more than other disciplinary problem statements also. So anyway, I would like to discuss again after this training program is over. Now I will hand over to Prithvi.
Hi everyone.
Yeah,
Thank you,
yes.
Anil sir.
Welcome.
So, guys, I probably think you might have received a few content regarding the platform which you'll be getting for the final hackathon day. So, let me give you a brief introduction about myself and my team. So, I mean, my colleague Mr. Harshit is here as well. He's going to walk you through the platform and explain to you how you guys can leverage that to improve your final submissions. So basically, in this platform, you'll be getting access to the actual QPUs and simulators as well. And depending on your solution, you might use the relevant QPUs which are available to test your algorithms. So I am Prithvi, so I am from Qbitech. So we are based out of Hyderabad. I've been working with Anil sir from almost last 5 to 6 months. So we provide various lab-based solutions to across colleges, across computing, communication, teaching labs, etc. I'll hand over it to Harshit.
I have for third year. In Papa, you take your D section, you are going on.
Madam, Akila Agnes, madam, please mute your mic. Akila, madam, please mute your mic.
Here, DA lab. I will take the news class for lab. You take our attendance and all.
So I'll hand over it to Harshit, who will briefly introduce himself and walk you through the platform.
Hello, sir.
And hope you guys have come prepared with questions. Ashit, over to you.
Thank you, Prithvi, for that introduction. Just wanted to confirm
And
my voice is
yes,
audible,
sir,
right?
Yeah, it's audible.
Okay, perfect. Hello, everyone. Excited to be here. And I'm pretty
Guys,
excited
can
to
you
join
please
the
mute
initiative.
yourself, who are not speaking?
Okay.
Harshit, 1 second. I think somebody's speaking and I don't know who it is.
Yeah, no
Yeah, you
worries. I
can go ahead now.
mean, whenever doing something of this scale, some things are bound to happen. It's fine. Yeah. All right, I'll get started again. So, hello everyone. My name is Harshit. I work as a quantum software engineer with Qbraid. And as Prithvi introduced, I'm going to be walking you all through the Qbraid platform and how you can leverage that for this hackathon. So, without further ado, I can get started with the presentation. So, let me just share my screen. Okay, is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, perfect. I can get started
Yes, sir,
then.
visible.
All right. So I'll give a brief intro about Qbraid and what it is. So Qbraid is a one-stop platform for quantum computing, where we have integrated a lot of actual quantum computers and also simulators where you can access all of them in a single place. Okay. And the agenda for today's presentation is how you can all get started with Qbraid. What is Qbraid SDK, through which you can submit quantum computing jobs to actual systems, and how you can leverage our Qbraid extensions to code directly in your local system or in VS Code. Okay, so let's get started. So we have three major, pillars in Qbraid. The first is a Qbraid lab, where we allow users to have their own exploration sandbox and a Jupyter lab environment right there in the cloud. You can submit. Okay, I will ignore that. You can submit any jobs which you want right there in the cloud, and you do not need any kind of setup. Okay, so that is the first thing. The second thing is a custom Python SDK called the Qbraid SDK, wherein you can choose to code in any platform you like or any framework you like, such as Qiskit, Bucket, or Google Circ, right? And you can connect seamlessly to any hardware which is provided on our platform, and that is enabled through our Qbraid transpiler. More details on that when I explain it in more granularity. And then finally is the Qbraid runtime, which is part of Qbraid SDK, which allows users to connect to different simulators or even real hardwares and deploy production-ready software.
Sir, 1 second, sir. Can you unmute 1 second, sir? I just mute all for to cut the disturbance, sir. I request this person, sir. Please unmute yourself, sir.
Harshit ji, please unmute yourself. Harshit and Prithvi ji, you both can unmute. Rest we will mute all the participants. Narayana garu, Prithvi and Harshit ni unmute చేయండి.
Sir, పేరు సార్ కోహోస్ట్ పేరండి
Harshit Gupta.
ప్లీజ్ స్పెల్ సార్
HARSHIT. Harshit Gupta. Another one is Prithvi.
Yeah. Prithvi. Yeah. Prithvi sir, please unmute sir. Next.
Harshit Gupta.
Yes sir, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, please.
Okay.
Rest of the participants will be muted for some time to avoid the disturbance.
Oh, thanks a lot, sir. Thank you. Okay, I'll reshare my screen and continue that. Just confirming again, the presentation is visible, right, Prithvi?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay, so as I talked before, right, about the agenda, the first thing that I'm going to be explaining to you about is the Jupyter Lab platform, which we have built at Qbraid. Okay, so it is a comprehensive Jupyter IDE, which we have built directly in the cloud, which is tuned for quantum software development, right? You can log into Qbraid and start developing software right there in the cloud. And I can give a demo for that as well. So let's have some moving pieces now. Right. So whenever you go to Qbraid.com, this is our landing page. And if you're, a new user, you click on sign up, right? And once you're in the sign up page, because I'm already logged in, I'm not signing up, right? But you can definitely sign in either with Google or create a new account. Okay. This is the account.qbraid.com page which you're going to be landing on. And this contains a lot of features which I can explain in a bit. So the first and the foremost page is your home page, which will explain what kind of plan you have, what is your access key, and how many quantum credits you have. So let me give a brief overview about the credits. These credits allow you to submit jobs on Qbraid to actual QPUs or to simulators, use GPU instances, and also use AI chat features which are developed in our platform. Each credit, so there are different pricing pertaining to different quantum computers, which I will go into more detail. And on the second place here, this is the launch lab feature. This allows you to select a particular instance, that is how much RAM do you want, or whether you want a GPU enabled instance or not, and launch it inside the Qbraid lab. Okay. I will go into more detail after I explain the other features. Then we have the devices integration. So these are all the quantum devices which are available on Qbraid. So we have integrations with at least 20 plus devices at Qbraid, and some of which you can see here. I can go into detail of, let's say, one particular AWS device. So this device, which is called the AWS State Vector Simulator, this is available directly via Qbraid. And these are some details about the device. What is its paradigm? What kind of a device it is? How can you access it? Or the quantum software format, that is Bracket, and how many qubits it supports. So for example, this is only for 34 qubits because we're just doing a quantum simulation, but we have larger devices available as well. For example, if we take IBM Torino, right? So this is a actual QPU which is available via IBM. And this is on a pay-as-you-go model, depending on the Qiskit runtime pricing. And the number of qubits are 133. You can also see that there are some jobs pending because obviously other users are also trying to use that device. So that is why there are some pending jobs present on the particular device. Moving on to the quantum jobs feature, this allows you to have a single unified place to view all of your quantum computing jobs which you have submitted. So as you can see here, I submitted a job, just today morning to check out the demo, and you can see what are the details of the job, what kind of, Qbraid software you use. I use a Bracket provider. What is the status of the job, which device the job was executed on, and what was the result, and what were the shots which you required for the job, right? This is just a very simple example which I'm portraying here, but it could get more and more complex depending on your use case, right? So that is about quantum jobs. And then we also have some features regarding the Qbraid lab, which I'll cover once I start talking about the Qbraid SDK. So I will stop for questions here, and if you guys have any questions, I'd love to answer them because I don't want this to be, a session which is just interactive. Or Prudvi, whatever way you like, we can take questions at the end as well. Okay, so probably I'll take the questions at the end. All right. Okay, so that was about the demo for the Qbraid lab, right? And once we are at the Qbraid lab, we want to do something, right? So that is where the Qbraid SDK comes in, and it allows you to code in any quantum software and then bridge your code to any quantum backend, right? So what I mean by that is that you can, for example, code in, sorry, any framework such as Qiskit, Bracket, Cirq, or Rigetti Spikewill, and a lot more which are supported by the Qbraid SDK. Once you have coded your circuit in a particular language or a framework, you can connect to all the devices which are available via Qbraid, via a single access key, which is called the Qbraid API key, right? And then you don't have to worry about how your program is going to be, compiled or transpiled to a particular device. you can just think about what you want to do. For example, you want to build a particular VQE circuit or a QAOA circuit, and you can let us take care about how we, get that work done for you, right? So that is kind of the efficacy of the Qbraid SDK. And how it does that in background is through the Qbraid runtime. So let's take a very simple example of the Qiskit, quantum program. So if you want to execute a Qiskit program on a bracket device, it is not very trivial because you need to go into the details of how a Qiskit circuit is converted to a bracket circuit, right? So these are the, steps which you need to take. That is, you need to convert the program type to the particular target program type, which is called bracket. Then you also need to do device-specific transformations because the devices which are supported by AWS might not have the same topology or the same the same layout as IBM devices. So you also need device-specific transformations. Then after you've transformed your program, you also need some kind of a management service which takes your jobs and manages them on the user's behalf, right? So this is what we call the Qbraid runtime service, and it interacts with the Qbraid's backend to finally give out the results. And I'll also, give out a demo for you guys for how this works out, right? So let's go to demo now. So if you land on account.qbraid.com and you click on default workspace, then you click on next. And finally, select the instance which you want to run. So I already have selected the standard instance which I want to run. And I'm just going to be launching lab, which opens this particular environment, right? So before diving through details of the code, let me give an example. Let me give an overview of this. So this is just the basic vanilla Jupyter lab platform hosted in the cloud, right? On the left side, you have your whole file system, which consists of your files which are present in the Qbraid lab, right? And then on the right side, we have the quantum jobs feature, which we just saw on the account page, right? It contains all the jobs which I have submitted via Qbraid. Then you can also see devices which are present on a Qbraid platform. And like, for example, let's take the SV1 device, as I just showed you. There are all the details present for this device. And one very cool feature that we have is called the Python Environment Manager. So I'm sure a lot of you guys are very familiar with Python, right? And also about Python environments. So the background for this feature is that there are a lot of quantum computing packages which are available today, right? So for example, you have Qiskit or you have Bracket or you have Penny right? Dependency management or managing those packages by yourself is not very trivial, right? And we want some kind of a management system for those environments right there in Qbraid. So that is why we have built Environment Manager. And whenever you, land on the Qbraid lab and click on Ends, you would be seeing some kind of a panel like this. You can choose to add environments from the different environments which are available. So for example, if I go to Qiskit and I say, okay, I want to install one of these environments, I will click on this and then I click on install and it will get installed in my current system. So you can say installation is started and this environment will get installed. And once it gets installed, we can activate that environment to use it. Okay. So I will just let it install and I will activate the environment which I have currently. So this is the environment which I had, right? The Qbraid environment. And once I, let's say remove kernel, and when I say add kernel, I will be, prompted to choose which kernel I want, and I will choose Qbraid, right? So this will allow me to use this particular environment inside my Jupyter notebook, right? So you can see Qbraid, okay? So now the Python environment is activated, and then I can, import Qbraid and see what's the version of my environment. And now we come to the fact that we can submit any particular quantum computing package circuit to any other QPU, right? So for example, I told you about the Qbraid runtime, right? So Qbraid runtime has a concept of providers and devices. So provider is any entity which provides access to devices, and device is just a quantum computing device, right? So since we are providing access, this is the Qbraid provider which I'm enabling. And any provider will have different devices which it has access to. And we can do provider.get devices. So this will get me the devices which are present with Qbraid, right? Okay, 1 second. Okay, while it is running, I will explain the code a little bit. So what we're trying to do now is take a particular quantum circuit, which is the Bell state circuit, use circ to code that particular circuit, and then submit it on an AWS simulator or an AWS device, right? So we now have the results. So I will get the device. So we got device AWS SV1, and then we can think about what is the target specification. What this means is that this is the the target software package which this device expects. So AWS SV1 expects the circuit to be in bracket, right? So we are now defining the circuit in circ. And what I'd like to highlight is that we are going to be submitting this circ circuit to an AWS device, which actually expects bracket, but we will take care of all the conversions in the backend. So let's just submit this device. And you can see that the job which I just submitted is going to be reflected here. So you can see this device is this job is initializing, and we have the Qbraid runtime provider, and we used 1000 shots, and the qubit count was 2. And this will cost you some kind of credits, right? I talked about credits and what it means. So every single credit is worth 1 cent, or 100 credits are worth $1. So the cost of this job is going to be like 3 cents. And you can see the results as well. Like we got the Bell state, measurement here. Now, similarly, we can do this with Qiskit as well, where we take a Qiskit circuit, run it on an AWS device, and get back the results, right? So this was about the simulator jobs, but let's also get into the details of an actual QPU. I hope Anka is available. So Rigetti Anka is a device which is supported by Rigetti, and it is accessible via the AWS interface. Okay. So let me get the device. Yeah, so we have got the device, and you can also see what is the metadata of the device. So just to point out one thing, that these devices are actually priced a little bit on the higher side. So you should always take care before you start executing jobs on a real device. So for example, if I used the Anka 3 device and I executed a job with 1000 shots, that would take me 30 credits for one single job, plus 0.9 into 1000. That's going to be like 90 credits. So I'm going to be charged somewhere around 120 credits or something like that, right? Or the point which I'm trying to make here is that these devices are not cheap, right? So you should take a little bit of, some kind of precaution whenever you're trying to run jobs. Okay. So let me execute the Qiskit circuit as well. And then we can execute the Qiskit circuit on the Rigetti device. Note that I'm using just 50 shots, right? And I don't want to burn through my credit count. So let's submit this. Yeah, so we will, yes, so the job is being reflected here. And you can also check out the status of the job. Currently, the job is queued to the device, right? And as and when we get the result, we can get the result object back as well. Okay. Let's refresh this. Yeah, it is still queued. Yeah, it takes a little bit of time because we are interacting with actual devices. So it has to go through the actual providers' routes, which are not available directly through us, right? So that is why it takes a little bit of time, but it does get executed. It is still queued. Okay. All right. Let it be queued, right? So I still have some results from from a job which I executed beforehand. So this is the measurement outcomes which you'll be receiving. Note that since these devices are actual QPUs and not simulators, um, the results are not going to be perfect, right? We still have some noise pertaining to 0, 1 and 1, 0 state for a Bell circuit, which actually shouldn't have been the case if it was perfect. But since it's not, we also have some noise results, right? So this is about the Qbraid SDK and how you can execute, circuits. And again, just to highlight, it is still queued. So whenever you're interacting with actual QPUs, make sure you have enough buffer time to, uh, execute your jobs beforehand so that you're not in a kind of a state which I am right now. All right. So this was about the demo for the Qubit SDK. And I'm sure that this could have been a little bit fast, right? But we're all there and we can, take any questions which you guys have, or you can also take those questions offline and send them out to your organizers and we'll be happy to answer them, right? Next is our VS Code extension, and this is for people who, choose to code in their local environments, right? So we have developed this same feature set that is the quantum jobs and the environment manager for your local development as well. So you can take essentially all of the features of Qbraid with yourself locally in VS Code. And we have a couple of extensions, which are the quantum console extension, which gives you details about your quantum jobs and allows you to manage them and also see all the devices which are available on Qbraid, right? The second one is the environment manager, which we just saw, and it allows you to create and manage and also use Python environments as a VS Code extension. You can also choose from, 100 plus existing environments which are present in Qubit Cloud, or you can also choose to create your own local environments and use them, right? I will also give a demo for that right now. Okay, so this is my VS Code setup, and this is the quantum console extension which I was talking about. So you can see the details of the jobs which I just submitted as well, right? This is the job which I just submitted for AWS, and this is the Rigetti job which is still queued. So I hope it executes, in the next 5 minutes or something. And you can search for different jobs by different providers. For example, IBM, I don't have any jobs, but for IonQ, I have some jobs. And then AWS, I have a lot of jobs. And then you can filter on status, like if there's a pending job or not, and whether some job is returned or not, right? And similarly, we also have a quantum devices panel. So this is similar to the panel which we just saw in the lab. And again, you can choose to filter devices based on which packages they support, for example, CASM or Qiskit, right? And then you can also choose to filter out devices depending on simulators or actual QPUs, right? So this is just device details, and you can see the details here as well. This was about the quantum console. Let's shift to the environment manager now. The environment manager is essentially allowing you to use any kind of Python environment in your local system, right? So you can either choose to create a new environment, right? You can choose to create environment, test one, and then test, and then create a local environment, right? And then once it is created, you can choose to add Python packages to it, right? So you can see test one is created now, but I already have an environment created. So that's called test Qbraid, right? It has the Qbraid package already installed inside it, okay? And then what I can choose to do is I can use this environment by calling this icon, this terminal icon, right? And I can say, okay, cd Qbraid SDK, and then I can do Python IDE test and so this executes, right? So essentially you have your own Python environments in your local system, and then you can do whatever you want depending on what packages you choose to install, right? This is just a very seamless way to interact with different packages, and this is also a pain point which we are trying to solve for a lot of users, which, just create and forget about environments or dependencies whenever they're executing any, quantum software job or any kind of, quantum software which they're trying to build, right? So this is one of our offerings for VS Code as well. All right. So that was essentially my presentation. And this is honestly just the beginning. Feel free to contact on any of, these contact points, look through our documentation or, shoot us an email, and we'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions that you guys have. And thank you for having me, and I wish you all the best. Thanks a lot, guys. Yeah.
Thank you, Harshitji, for providing a very good platform to our students. Dear students, if you have any queries, please post on your chatbot so that today's resource person will answer all your queries. This is mainly a very interactive session so that you can improve your solutions for the final hackathon. This is the idea. We requested Prithviji and Harshit Gupta to motivate you and to provide you another platform. You can post, anybody can post your queries regarding this hackathon, final hackathon and solutions. Yes, that is right. You can use IBM Cloud, and it is an alternate one.
So hi guys, just to give you a brief idea how the hackathon is going to be, right? So you will be given a certain credits. I think you'll be given close to 1,500 credits for each team. So you can use that credits to improvise your algorithms, and you have to be careful how you use it because if you go for higher qubit systems, of course it gets expensive to use, so you'll be consuming more credits. So it's
Yep.
free of cost to you guys.
Mhm.
For the hackathon, it is being sponsored by us, by
Yep.
Qubitech itself and Qbraid. So one thing I
Okay.
want to clarify, right, is uh, there are only 6 problem statements out of the 10 which would require a Qbraid platform because the others are not exactly working on quantum algorithms. So I'll just open the problem statements and tell you which teams will get it. So problem number 4, simulating a super dense coding protocol where 2 classical qubits are transmitted using a single qubit. And problem number 5, using quantum simulation for to estimate ground state energy of hydrogen molecules. And problem number 7, which is the quantum optimization. Problem number 8, which is the VQC for the forecasting of FTSC. And problem number 9 for fraud detection. And problem number 10, which is the standard logistics fleet optimization. So these teams will be getting access because the others are not exactly relevant to quantum, and you will be given the required number of credits to. I mean, the hackathon is going to run for the entire day, right? So you'll probably have some at least 4 to 6 hours to work on your algos, and then you can submit itself on the platform. And Harshit will take the other questions. So there are some questions on
Yeah.
the specifications of the laptop.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so I will start from the first one. The first is if we have IBM Quantum Platform, then why Qubit? That's a very good question. So IBM Quantum Platform only supports one kind of devices, which is IBM, right? But if you want to actually use devices which are not just supported by IBM, but also other vendors such as Rigetti or AWS or IQM, right? You either don't have access to those devices because they are not accessible to the public, or if you have access, then you need to go through the setup of each and every provider one by one to get access to different devices. Not only that, if you even have access to devices, those devices take in very specific Python abstractions or Python objects, which you need to convert on your own if you're, let's say, coding in Qiskit. So that is like the efficacy of the platform, wherein you can just choose what you want to do and let us figure out how it gets done, right? So I hope that answers your question. Then second thing is if Qbraid free or paid, it is definitely free for starting out. And any kind of features which require larger RAM or, some, larger amount of credits, of course, those features are paid. But for starting out, it is, free to access and anyone can, access them. And how do we fix the qubit count as per dataset features? Yeah, so depending on whatever circuit that you're building for your problem statement, you can essentially choose whatever qubit count which you think is going to solve your problem, and then let us figure out how we can run that solution on Qbraid. So you don't have to, fix your qubit count. Um, you can choose any qubit count you want, and then we can figure out how it can run. Possible to run or prototype in Qubit's
So
QPU.
sorry to interrupt, Harshit. So
Yeah,
guys, one small thing to clarify, right? So in IBM's Qiskit, you can run it on your local platforms, but if you want to run on the actual QPUs, I think you have only 10 minutes of free access to the actual quantum systems. I do not know the exact timing, which would not be sufficient for for you to improvise or improve upon your algorithm. So that's where this actually comes in, and there are other features as well, which Harshit will talk about it at the end, such as QBook, QLab, and some quantum courses for people who are starting out in quantum. Yeah, Harshit, you can take it forward. Oh, you click mute by mistake. Uh, Narayanji, can you please unmute Harshit once again? Sorry. Mm. Anil sir, can you please unmute Harshit by mistake?
Yeah, I'm trying. He is not.
Sorry, sorry. Yeah. So I'm just repeating the problem numbers. Problem number 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 6 problems which will get the quantum notebook platform. The other problems you won't require a quantum platform because, for example, they are classical problems. You can do it in your local computers. So yeah, you'll get access key or during the hackathon day. I don't think the date is finalized. On that particular day, you'll be getting the access.
All right. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will again go over the questions. Where were we? Max number of okay, so the max number of shots which I would recommend is not going beyond 10,000 because that would, take a lot of time for execution. I would say for prototyping, 500 to 1,000 shots for your circuit or program are going to be enough. But if you want very accurate results, for your particular problem, then I would say the max you should go is 10,000, right? Beyond that, it shouldn't like waver much. Credits provided by Qbraid. Yeah. So as Prithvi said, just to reiterate, you will be getting somewhere around 1,500 to 2,000 credits for your solution on the day of the hackathon. And one good thing about the Qbraid credits is that they do not expire. So whatever credits your team is going to be getting, if you choose to use them on the day of the hackathon, well and good. But if not, then you can also, use those credits over the course of time because they do not expire. So that is a good thing about them. Any form of automation using Qbraid? I don't exactly understand that question, but I'm sure you can. Automation, but I'm not sure what you mean by automation. Max number of shots, credits. Yeah. So just again, how can we get the credits? We will be providing you guys. Gamified solution for our problem statement. I mean, you can develop games probably on Qbraid. That'll be a pretty good, I would say, use case, but I don't think Qbraid is going to be built for that. So yeah, good luck. Yeah, so one person asked, we're using Penny Lane for hybrid quantum classical methods. How does integrating with Qbraid improve workflow? Yeah, so essentially, if you're using any final gate-based program, which you have developed using Penny Lane, so you can essentially kind of prototype your program on different types of QPUs. For example, you can use either Rigetti system or IBM system and see which system is performing better pertaining to your problem. So this is where Qbraid comes in, wherein you can take one program and kind of benchmark it against different devices at one access, at a single access platform, right? So that is how I think your performance of the algorithm might improve. For projects. Yeah, so we have tried using Qbraid. In the terminal, we are able to run circuits, but for QPUs, we use access key. Yeah, so for access keys, let me share my screen again. You can essentially choose to go to account.qbraid.com, and then this is your access key, right? Once you see this, you can copy this, right? And then what you can do is take this API key and you can essentially go to our docs page, right? So we have set up for how you can set your programs, Qbraid runtime, setup. Yeah, so here you see Qbraid provider, right? So in the Qbraid provider, there's a method called Qbraid provider.save account. In that, you will provide your API key, and this will get copied in your local system and saved for future runs. So since I had already done that previously, that is why I did not load it. But you can definitely do that for any new users, right? Then, so currently running algorithm simulator using Qiskit. Yeah, so Shaikh Basid, if you're currently running algorithms in simulators using Qiskit, you can definitely shift to Qbraid if you want to try out different systems. So for example, if you have your Qiskit circuit and you want to run that circuit on a Rigetti device or on an AWS device, definitely you should shift to Qbraid. When will we get the grades? I think that's answered. Yes, good. Yeah, so Dr. Uday, about the VS Code extension, I can share the docs links for VS Code here again, and that should get you set up for the environment manager. I think they are pretty self-explanatory, and besides today's presentation, train QSVC on large data, suppose up to 12K or more. So RF, if you want to train any quantum, I think this support vector, I'm not sure what QSVC means, but essentially whenever you go to Qbraid lab, you can also upload files there, right? So whatever data which you want to train on, you can upload in the Qbraid lab interface, and then you can, choose to use that data in your Jupyter notebooks. I hope that answers the question. Both classical ML code as well as quantum circuit code in Penny Lane. Yeah, definitely, Kaushik, you can use Qubit to do that. You can use the Penny Lane environment to run your notebooks, and then your essentially your data set should be present in Qubit Lab. And also, since you're already using the Penny Lane environment, you should be able to run the hybrid quantum and classical jobs there. We have built a can we run that in Qubit after we get the access key? I'm not entirely sure what you mean by hybrid platform, Safan. So yeah, QKD simulator. So with PVPSIT, you can definitely use the simulator for your testing, but if you want to move to the next step, you can, use that code to run that on actual devices. Both of them are fine. Yeah. Mm. Bharat Kumar. Yeah. So Bharat, I did tell a little bit about the Qbraid runtime. So in a nutshell, Qbraid runtime is just a service which allows you to connect to different quantum computing systems, right? And it is built inside the Qbraid SDK. So if you want to, know more about it, I can share the docs here. So we have the runtime here. This will give a very, detailed overview about what I mean by Qbraid runtime. Quantum support vector classifier. Yeah, RF. So whatever the algorithm be, again, if you have your data available in Qbraid lab, you can definitely use to train your ML or, QML model there. How should we work on the Qbraid platform, like the environments? I think I did share a demo for that, but again, I can share docs as well. These are the environment manager docs. Yeah, so the environment manager docs should get you, very quickly started. IBM Quantum Platform, we are restricted to backends searching for these kinds of platform. Thank you. Okay, you're welcome. Yes, SQL. Yeah, I mean, showing the Colab as prototype is going to be fine. Again, I would still recommend you switch to Qubit for access to different QPUs or different simulators, right? Obviously, since the Jupyter Notebook environments are available in Colab as well, you're free to use that, but it will not have as many features as Qubit. And also you can, choose to run GPUs as well. So I did not show that in the demo, but essentially if you go to, let me share my screen again. Yeah, so if you go to Qbraid account, right, and then select default workspace, and then since I have my instance running, I can stop it right now. Okay, but you can also choose to run different GPUs on Qubit as well. So for example, you can choose to run the GH200 or H100 with 80 gigs of RAM. There are two things that you need to note here. The first one is that these GPU instances have a lot of demand, and it takes somewhere around 5 to 10 minutes to spawn one instance for you, right? So just take some buffer before you're spawning these instances. The second thing is that you see this particular tab here, this element here. This charges credits for running, right? Because these are GPU instances, not just standard CPU. So make sure you do not run and forget them, because this will then cost you credits. We have the timer to auto stop them like after 1 hour, but this would take somewhere around 300 credits if you let it run for 1 hour, right? So just be mindful that we do have GPU instances available, but they're going to be, costing some amount of credits. Then 1 second. Stop sharing. All right. Okay, I think I'll take a couple of more questions and then maybe we could wrap it off, right? Could we?
Yeah.
Let me share that. Problem statement is forecasting. How can we run on Qbraid? I mean, honestly, any problem which you have is just going to be a Python notebook, right? So it can be run on Qbraid. There's not going to be an issue. Hybrid model uses Penny Lane with Gymnasium. Minus Q node. How can we integrate this for Qbraid? What happens? Apala, so the device is defined as a Q node, true, but if you take that Penny Lane program and try to transpile it with Qbraid into any particular target such as Bracket or Qiskit, that might help you execute that circuit on a quantum backend. I don't know what exact program which you have. I'll need to look at the code, right? But most likely the transpilation should get you, running. And again, for the dependency errors, again, I will have to look at the code and the STD out for that code. Cannot directly tell which kind of dependency error you have. Okay, so some people are asking if we could get some credits before the hackathon for prototyping. Yeah. Okay, we can maybe, decide internally and see if we can, provide some of the credits to you guys, like before the hackathon day as well. So maybe Prithvi and I can discuss about that more.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Yeah, I think those should be the questions. And yeah, and one more thing which I'd like to highlight is about, so Qubit is not just about quantum software development, we're much more than that as well. So for any, we also have like a quantum education initiative, which any of the participants, if they are interested at the universities or any professors, we're more than happy to, collaborate with you guys. So for example, we have a quantum education platform called QBook, which is providing quantum computing courses and access to different quantum courses right there in the cloud itself. So for example, if I, go to, let's say, the Cubes beginner course. So this is a course which Qbraid has developed and deployed right there in the cloud. So you have text format, right? You have interactive widgets. Then you also have code cells, which you could directly execute in the cloud, right? And this does not require any kind of, installation on your part, right? So this is also, a particular avenue which participants at the universities can explore with us. And we also have like an administration panel, wherein students can get onboarded to courses, and we can also, manage them. I can show that here. So for example, right, you see this, right? So we have, for example, a course with the QCent Technologies company, and you can see what all users are part of that course. You can also, grade different users who are part of that course depending on what kind of responses they have, right? Something like this. And then one more thing is, yeah, so just the beauty of this is that everything is kind of integrated in just the cloud itself. And then you can, pretty easily start up with any MCQs or, any kind of free response questions wherein you want different answers pertaining to different students, right? We also have that ability. And you can set these courses up very easily directly through the Jupyter Lab platform as well. We have something like a course builder which allows you to build these custom courses in the Jupyter Lab platform. So that is also, one very important feature which we have at Qbraid, that you can not just do quantum but also learn quantum, right? So yeah. All right, guys. So I will stop sharing now. Prithvi, did you have any other points to mention now?
Yeah, so regarding those credits, right, maybe before a
Mhm.
couple of days or one day, we'll just discuss with Anil sir and get back to you
Okay, sure.
how we can work it out.
Mhm.
Participants, once the date is finalized, so just give us some time.
Mhm.
There are a lot of questions, but I don't think we have. I mean, how do you improve the code? It's very generic, so it's very difficult for us to help you
Mhm.
guys. Anyway, on the day of the hackathon, myself and mostly Harshil will also be there. If he's available, depending on the final date,
Mhm.
because he's traveling to the US. I think post 24th, I think.
Mhm. Yeah.
So uh, I think Anil sir will confirm the dates in a couple of days when the final hackathon is going to be.
Yeah, definitely let me know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I'm just putting my email ID, right? So you guys can approach us in case of any doubts specific to uh, the computing lab or the solutions that we have at Qbraid. And even if any doubts you have, generic doubts, I think you can mail us. Um, I'm just putting. Somebody asked for Qbook link. I'm putting that as well. Um, so Anil sir, I think we are good to go.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for a wonderful session. And you both given a wonderful platform also to our students. The very, as you know that we would like to pick up at least 100 to 200 students to be work on the IBM platform when it comes to Amravati Quantum Valley. Harshitji and Prithviji, I will share the queries, whatever they have raised by students, so that you may also answer offline. I will again share. The very important purpose is, of course, the IBM is also offering. We requested for 1 hour of free time. Actually, as you said, as of now, it is providing only 10 minutes runtime. And you can mix both these. You can also utilize the Qbraid also, so that you can get very both combined together hybrid version. You can get some solutions. Is it okay, sir? Can they combine both this while using Qbraid platform as well as IBM platform?
So I think that we need to check with Venkat sir how it's going to work out. Because if they do give access, it will be directly from their platform. I mean, because if they're going to do it selectively for a certain email IDs, I guess. Um, but I think that we need to check. But I think both they can be used depending on their
At least for this
use.
purpose.
Yeah, for this purpose.
So thank you very much, both of you. Any other suggestions, Harshitji?
I think he's again muted. I think we just wish you all the best and thank you so much, and all the professors and students who have participated.
I don't have admin rights here. Actually, that is the problem.
No problem, sir. It's okay. So maybe once Harshit speaks, we'll drop off. Thank you all the professors and students for your time.
I'm a chair.
Yeah,
Thank
sir.
you. Yeah. Yeah,
Sorry.
no worries. I mean, this is kind of bound to happen in, sessions of this scale. No worries. Anyway, so yeah, one thing which I'd like to mention, Professor, is that if IBM is also trying to provide compute hours for this hackathon, right? People can use that particular access key on Qbraid as well. So it's not that they just need to use the Qbraid API key on the Qbraid platform. They can choose to combine whatever credentials which they have on our Qbraid lab platform as well. So for example, if let's say IBM chooses to give out access to some particular email accounts or some teams, right? Those teams need to be registered on Qbraid with that particular email ID, and then they will be able to use that, IBM credentials. So that's about it.
Oh, great. It's a great solution.
Yeah.
I think hope all our students can follow this for optimum utility of this softwares.
Yeah. And yeah, guys, I would just want to kind of mention one more thing. This can get kind of overwhelming pretty quickly because this is the first time for you guys to see Qbraid, right? So take your time and go through the docs on your own pace. And if you have any questions, just reach out to us. We're always, very happy to answer any questions. And again, all the best for the hackathon. Pretty excited to see what you guys build.
Thank you very much. Actually, today there is a review meeting with HRD Minister, and tomorrow is Honorable CM review is there. Maybe today or tomorrow our final hackathon dates will be confirmed, and immediately we will inform you, and we will also invite you for the final hackathon, so that you can also guide them during that session and also act as a jury member.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, Pradesh.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
And I request all our students and Sparks please to stay back so that here are quick guidelines for you. The Sparks, I think every Spark member who are involved in the final hackathons are there. And first of all, I would like to invite region-wise Sparks, my final region-wise Sparks. Dr. Anuradha, madam, are you there? Narayan sir. Hello, sir Narayan garu. అలాగే అందరిని అన్మ్యూట్ చేసేయండి అంటే ఇంట్రాక్షన్ సెషన్ అందరిని అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి అన్మ్యూట్ ఓకే నౌ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఆల్ ద స్పాక్స్ ప్లీజ్ అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ వీడియోస్ అండ్ వెన్ ఎవర్ ఐ ఆస్క్ యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ ఆడియో సో అన్మ్యూట్ మేడం అనురాధ మేడం ప్లీజ్ అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ మైక్ అండ్ are you there? Please respond. I request all participants please unmute your.
Sir, please unmute yourself also, sir. So now access given to all the participants. So whenever you ask to please unmute yourself and mute yourself after completion of your talking. Yes, sir.
Now I will request Dr. Anuradha from Gayatri Vidya Parishad Krishnapatnam. Please, are you there, madam? Okay. Dr. Abhijit from SKR College, Bhimavaram. Sir, ఒక్కసారి చెప్తాను. రవి గారు ఉన్నారా? SKR Bhimavaram. ధనేకల సార్, మధు సార్, ధనేకల మధు సార్. Yeah, thank you, sir. Everybody is there, sir. Students.
Yes, sir. They are attended with honors.
Thank you. Madam, Professor Sumabindu, madam, are you there? Dr. Surya Kumar garu from Tirupati, are you there? Yes, sir, I'm there. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And other resource persons, other sparks from other states, Chennai Institute of Technology, are you there? Raisoni College? Yeah. Raisoni College, Pune? Amrita College, Chennai and Jaipur?
Yes, sir.
Telangana? Yeah, please. So I think everybody is on board now. Before closing the session, I would like to inform all that this is the greatest opportunity. Please motivate all your students so that whoever can perform well in the final hackathon, they will directly get a job in the IBM Amravati. By 1/1/2026 or by 31st March 2026. Sorry, 2026. We require at least 10,000 students. And IBM directly promised yesterday that the first batch of selection will be from this hackathon only. So please get involved and do your best. And day by day, you have to improve yourself, improve your solutions, so that at the end of the final hackathon, you have to come up with a prototype as well as the use case, so that you all will be selected. So, as per our statistics, there are 600 students. That means almost 100 teams are participating in the final hackathon, both winners and runners. It means that the semi-final runner may become winner there, based on your improved solution. And winner may be runner, or winner and both runners may not be get through this final selections, because we are again selecting 1 and 2, that is runner and winner. There are across from 6 regions, that is one, we consider one region as other states, and from within the state 5 regions. So we are expecting at least 600 members and 100 teams. And from these teams, the competition is very neck-to-neck competition. And those who can come up with the use cases only can be selected. That is 100 will be listed for the IBM jobs. And preferably, to avoid your academics, we will select the finalist students. And later on, immediately after your completion, even you were selected, you will be get into the job opportunity immediately after your degree is awarded. So this is not only limited to engineering students, there is also, we are providing to degree students as well, as because it is a multidisciplinary one. As you know, we can select from chemistry background, we can select some of the faculty students from physics background, even life sciences, even commerce, finance, everything. So there is a wonderful opportunity. And we will also train all the students who are qualified, who are selected, who have come up with a good solution to the final hackathon. They will be trained at IBM platform for 6 months again on algorithms, on different types of algorithms, covering multidisciplinary subjects. So this is the very important motivation for all of you. Actually, it is going to be a very big impact on our lives, particularly in the background of Amravati Quantum Valley. Thanks to the IBM organization for offering us very important. Unfortunately, what our people have done recently, they have invited some faculty members and they have selected, shortlisted some students also. Unfortunately, most of the faculty members, most of the students could not able to attend there. I don't know what is the reason. But this is a golden opportunity, they have missed it. I request all the faculty members, all the sparks, please motivate your students every day. Anyway, in a day or two, we are going to give a circular from APSHA, that is, you have to establish the quantum innovation centers across your colleges. The quantum innovation centers will be acting as a platform, a launchpad for the IBM jobs, and these will be directly connected to different hubs across universities. We are going to establish hubs on different modes, like one university may be a hub for sensors and sensing, one university may be a hub for materials, and one university may be a hub for communication. So Before that, the college need to establish quantum innovation centers where you can train the students on Python, on this Qbraid, on this IBM platform, IBM cloud, and different algorithms also. You have to train your students. Now we are not going to limit for this batch. We require at least 50,000 students by December 2026. This is the magnanimity of the workforce required for them to work in the IBM platform at Amravati itself. So this is the greatest opportunity. Please, first, if the faculty members understand this, not only the students, we are also recruiting faculty members who are highly involved in the faculty development programs, as well as who can train in the algorithms. We are also picking up 100 to 200 faculty members to be trained at CDAC Bangalore, as well as the IBM platform for 6 months again. Yes, this is about the greatest opportunity for both faculty as well as the students. Now, I would like to invite your attention for the preparation of the poster. As we are seeking Honorable CM's invitation appointment, he would like to look at the posters. We will display all the posters. So all the teams, there are standard format we have shared. The standard format is like this. You have to put your title information, introduction, and the team name, the team code, college name, college logo, and introduction, the problem statement, the literature review, methodology, design architecture, the prototype and implementation strategies, results and outcomes, innovation and novelty, use cases, impact and future work and conclusion, and finally references and acknowledgements. This is a standard format I have already circulated. So you have to come up with a well and novelty designed poster. So it should have, again, we have decided what is the font size also. So for the title of the project, it should be very large and bold. That is, you have to between 85 to 100 font size, and followed by names and team members' names, team logo, institution logo, and hackathon logo. That is Amravati Quantum Valley Hackathon. In the poster, there is a flow that is called introduction, problem statement, literature review, methodology, design architecture, prototype and implementation, results and outcomes, innovation novelty, prototype, use case application, impact, future work and conclusion, finally followed by references and acknowledgement. And the design tips, it should be very uniform. Every poster should be in a uniform. So the design is, there must be use of 3 to 4 columns layout for portrait. All posters must be on a portrait style. So title must be between 85 to 100 font size. Headings must be between 45 to 60 font size. And body text must be between 24 to 32 font size. Preferably, it should be a 32 font size because it should be visible. And you can keep more of visuals rather than text. And also, you please include QR code that is connected to your GitHub, and a demo video link can be preferred on the poster. This is the poster template. And coming to your paper, we are going to compile all the papers, all the best papers, and APSHA is going to publish your papers with high impact factor. Okay, so you please come prepared with the paper, and you take the suggestions of your SPOCs, your faculty, because they have published so many papers. So from the student level, we are promoting the research and innovation policy from APSHA side. So this is also circulated to this paper format is also circulated. So it is like this: title of the use case. Before that, you have to give the title of your project, and that is problem statement only, and your details, including the mail IDs, the authors and affiliation to your institution, the abstract. Abstract must be very few lines, and followed by keywords and introduction, the problem statement, explanation, literature review, methodology and approach, the prototype development, the implementation methodology, results and outcomes. This is very important. and innovation, novelty, use case applications, limitations, and future work. You have to indicate the future work also, because anyway, most of the students are going for IBM Quantum Valley. And the conclusion, finally, acknowledgements and references. And I request all, please use the AppShare logo for poster as well as paper, and also acknowledge the AppShare for all the wonderful things. Not only AppShare, you have to acknowledge IBM, you have to acknowledge TCS, and you have to acknowledge the startups also. For example, today, the Qbraid has given a presentation. Earlier, Qkrishi is given explanation, presentation. And also Q Labs is giving some support. And not only that, even QIPI from Bangalore, that startup is also coming to Amravati exclusively for the purpose of academics and research. So you will all be, all the faculty members as well as students can also involved in that computer system coming up from Bangalore, that is QPIA, that is exclusively for our academic purposes. So these are some of the important issues. This is exclusively arranged today to give you some sort of motivation and to announce this wonderful opportunity which is knocking your door. Right now, the IBM is coming to your home. Please, I request all the SPOC members, faculty members to educate your students. It is the greatest opportunity. Directly, the IBM is knocking the doors of the students. I will assure that by March, you will all be placed. Whoever can come with, at least I can promise 100 people can be placed in IBM Amravati itself by March 2026. And if others, actually, the requirement is very huge. At least we can accommodate 50,000 students. But this is the criteria. The hackathon has become a criteria. Feel proud of it. I appreciate all the SPOC members because you are also traveling with us for the last 2 months. This is the really greatest achievement by all the SPOCs. We also, from AppShare chairman, we also giving the appreciation certificates along with the students for the participation certificates will be given to students, and appreciation certificates for the faculty and SPOCs who are involved in this. Really, you have contributed very much, sir, madam, because the SPOCs, this is the energy of the SPOCs, this is the motivation of the SPOCs. We can attract at least 20,000 students involved in the boot camps. When we have conducted boot camps, there are 20,000 students involved, and slowly we have filtered, because it is a high quality and high impact and high technology, technically involved system. We have filtered now for the finals from 20,000 students to we have filtered 600 members. Feel proud that you are the one in the 600 batch. Now we are going to filter 100 members for immediate jobs in IBM Amravati Quantum Valley. So prove yourself and work on this day and night, so that there must be blast in front of our honorable CM and IBM, TCS, whatnot. Every stakeholder will be present on that day. There is going to be a biggest feast for all the participants. And not only this, I also appreciate the faculty members and students of other states. There are faculty members involved from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. There are faculty members involved from Karnataka. There are faculty members involved from Maharashtra. There are faculty members involved from Rajasthan. There are faculty members involved from Himachal Pradesh, Telangana. So I appreciate really. Most of you have connected with us through our social media, that is LinkedIn, and you come across all the way. And to help you, we didn't invite you to this semi-final physically. We have separately arranged an online platform, and you proved yourself. And I really appreciate many other students from other states. They are ready with the prototype also. So we should involve, but make sure that maybe, because the appointment will be by Honorable CM, maybe I don't know if you get 1 week time. Maybe within a couple of days you have to come all the way to Vijayawada. Please be ready, because anyway we are offering jobs for you also. It is not limited to only AP students. we are equally good at inviting other state people, and we are also promoting you. First of all, I would like to congratulate you for participating in this Amravati Quantum Valley Hackathon. I appreciate all the faculty members from other states also, and I appreciate all the students from other states also. Please take a follow-up, and every day you have to improve yourself so that finally our goal is Amravati Quantum Valley job at IBM. So this is from my side. I hope you will understand the seriousness of this hackathon, and you will also come up with the paper presentations. You will also come up with a poster ready. We will arrange the places for keeping the posters, and Honorable CM will visit will walk through the corridor. While walking, you must be ready with your laptop and your system, your prototype. If it is a use case, you should explain to him so that he will also impress, because he is the brand ambassador for all of us. Particularly for Amravati Quantum Valley, he is the brand ambassador. So he is deeply connected with this quantum. He is in other words, he is entangled with this quantum qubits. You also this is the promise of the quantum qubits. So you will all entangle. So that's why we are going successfully in this journey. This is from my side. So any queries, the students, and one request to all the faculty members, please, this is the first batch. You please take the feedback from other students, and please send us the data, even the passouts also, recent passouts. Because the passouts, maybe computer science passouts are there, physics passouts are there, electronics passouts are there, or any other discipline. Please collect the data. Who can work on this, or who are committed, who are interested to work on this quantum, you please send the data. We require 50,000 student workforce by December 2026, so that we will train them, and we can also engage such activities. After this, we are also planning for different activities, that is AI, cyber security, and also VLSI. Like this hackathons we will conduct. Because as you know, Amravati Quantum is also hosting the semiconductor unit there. So we also very shortly we also plan for AI as well as the VLSI, that is semiconductor thing, etc. So this is a very important challenge for all our faculty. Please correct the data of your students. Already passed out students also we require. We will collect the data. We will host in our website, and as and when there is opportunity, we will definitely involve the students who can perform well. So what are the QAC activities? The QAC, actually Quantum Innovation Center, is a concept at IBM US. Now the concept is coming over to our colleges. The Quantum Innovation Centers serve as elite centers of expertise in the growing and ever-changing quantum ecosystem. Many operate as a hub and spoke, an industry leader growing a quantum community by partnering with IBM directly. We are not only, as on today, we are partnering with IBM directly. It is headquartered in US, and very soon we are also going to partner with the European Union quantum missions also, where the Google is also coming up, right? The Willow Google is also coming up. So the key points of QAC have a sense of obligation to industry partners as well as to students and faculty and a society to be connected and entangled with this journey. And QACs are the forefront of quantum technology because you are going to train them. First, start with the Python and coming to the algorithms. And there are so many courses available freely with the IBM platform. I will share this maybe today or tomorrow, where you can find already many of you are using the quantum cloud. So with this, you can also introduce different courses, basic courses, intermediate course, advanced course, and coming to algorithms. And there are trainings on different portfolio optimizer, higher ordinary binary optimization, model of flow of non-viscous fluid using. For every discipline, there is a course. And also They can work on utility scale error mitigation and real-time benchmarking of qubit selection, combine error mitigation options. So everything will be in this document. You can establish the PAC in a single room, or already many colleges are having the innovation centers, IIC centers are there. In that also you can engage this. So only thing is you have to train the students on basically first Python and algorithms, and focus on new techniques in Qiskit also. Qiskit is very important in this IBM platform to improve workflows like approximate quantum compilation for time evolution circuits, that is AQC, multi-product formulas to reduce error, Trotto error, MPF, and operator back propagation, OBP, for estimation of expectation, circuit cutting for periodic boundary conditions like this. Anyway, we will share this entire document. So these are the very happening things to be followed by all the faculty members as well as students, preferably. These are my promises as promised by IBM as well as the DST, National Quantum Mission, DST, TCS, and AppShed, MNIT, IIT Madras, CDAC Bangalore, ISER, IIT Tirupati, everyone, every partner is involved in. Not only these government organizations and private corporates, there are some startups also involved in this, like Qbraid and Qbraid, QLabs, as well as the QAPI AI from Bangalore. All the partners are involved to support you guys. Please understand that so much of collaboration, so much of collaborative work is going on just to support you and take your services in the future Amaravati Quantum Valley. This is all from my side. Any queries you can ask, any interactive session, anybody, any Spock?
Sir, Madhukant Ram from Dhanikla, sir. Is there any limitations of paper, sir, and a number of pages?
Sir. No. There is no limit, but better it must be 5 to 6 pages. If
Okay.
really have more number of pages, we can accommodate, nothing issue.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Sir.
Sir, can you please tell where to upload this source code and poster and paper?
No. Anyway, we will give the link, sir, from our website. Meanwhile, if your college has different websites or your GitHub is there, even your faculty members will have individual that you can
Your
place
voice is not
that.
audible, sir.
Sir, you can share. I will share my link. Okay. Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please tell me, sir.
You can. I will provide the link. You can share it. Meanwhile, if you have any GitHub or even your website, college website, also you can place it.
Okay,
Hello?
sir. We have GitHub link. Sir, where to give us during the starting, somebody said about that cloud link we need to upload and etc. So can you give some clarity on that?
Yeah, that cloud is already, we will provide. We will provide from our website. The Qbraid is also giving space. The resource person just now concluded. They asked for uploading your links to the Qbraid also. Okay, don't worry about that. First, you copy paste in your GitHub and share with us. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We will share the GitHub link.
And all the posters should be in uniform size as per the guidelines, as per the template I have
Hello.
shared, and we will provide the space. And you ask your students to bring the posters to the venue during the hackathon. Okay. Yes, please. Somebody is asking. Yes, please. Neelapu Teja.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
We are from Adhikari. Sir, can you please tell the job recruitment process, sir? How those 100 people were selected?
Yeah, I already told that who can excel, who can come up with use cases, who can come up with the prototype will be selected. That is the only criteria. So we have 100 teams. They have promised that 100 positions will be taken first. So during that day, who can excel in that, they will be taken to this IBM.
Sir, is it like one team, one member for one team for 100 teams, or any 2 members or more?
If 600 will be excelled, 600 will be taken. That is the requirement.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Any
we need to upload, deploy our code in GitHub, or should we give the source code and give the link of GitHub, sir? Can you give clarity on that?
No. You have to present everything on the day. Before that, we are requesting just your paper as well as your poster. That is enough for us. Because we have to compile, you have to publish that. Whatever your activity, your use cases, your prototype can be presented on that day only. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes, please.
then what is GitHub means? We want to deploy that project in GitHub, sir.
GitHub is your personal. If you have GitHub, it is fine. Otherwise,
Yes,
you can
sir.
create. It is easy.
Yes, sir. We want to deploy that project in GitHub, sir. That
No.
prototype.
No, not on that. You can directly present on your laptop on that day.
Okay.
For convenience sake, you can also upload in your GitHub so that it can be easy.
Okay. Thank
Sir,
you.
Yeah.
do we need to print the posters on the vinyl flexi or what?
Exactly, sir. Exactly. You have to print the poster and bring the poster, and also you have to print the paper, and also share us the soft copy. Before that, we have to compile it and we have to publish the paper. So we will provide link. You please submit the paper and poster for us. But poster you have to get printed for the display on that day.
Okay, sir. One more request, sir. So from our college, there are many other teams as well. So who are not qualified, but yet they have done really well. So is there any opportunity for them to go into the IBM recruitment process?
Yes, sir. It is because there is a immediate requirement. We have requested them because the hackathon, the students are already motivated. They are doing something. They can easily get trained on the algorithms. So we require at least 50,000 people by December 2026. That's why I'm asking. We want nominations from your colleges, even the pass outs, so that we can maintain the database and we will going for training them. Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes, please.
Sir, coming to posters, we have did with the 2 columns, sir. Is it okay? We have did with the 2 column arrangement, sir. In poster.
No. We have submitted. We have circulated a template because all should be very uniform. We have to display it. So you have to follow the template only. Just now I also read that.
Yes, sir. That is only, sir. Just we have split it.
That is fine.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Paper title should be the problem statement or
Exactly. Paper statement should be your problem statement, but you can mention the innovation in that.
Okay, sir.
Because problem statement is uniform for all, but every student team may be unique. So you have to inform that, you have to mention that uniqueness.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, anyone from other states, you can also interact. My only suggestion to other state people, maybe because it is a decision of Honorable CM, you may get 1 week or maybe within a couple of days you have to come. So please be prepared for that.
Sir, when will be the hackathon will be conducted, sir?
That I cannot say. It has to be decided by Honorable CM.
Sir, what must be the size of the poster?
Sir, we have just now.
Any A3 or?
No. It is everything is structured and we have given
Template.
the template. As per template, you have to follow.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
So we have prepared a poster in landscape. Is that acceptable?
No, not landscape. It is portrait only. The width must be 841 mm and height must be 1189 mm. And in inches, it is 33.1 into 46.8 inches. Because it should be uniform. I shared, if you don't find this, please ask your Spock. Again, I am reading, the width is 841 mm, height is 1189 mm. In other words, 33.1 inches into 46.8 inches.
Okay, sir.
Orientation must be in portrait only.
Sir, can you please specify the dates before? Like we need to travel from a long way to the.
Yeah, I cannot. That's why I am saying I cannot,
At
because
least.
it depends on Honorable CM.
Okay, sir.
So,
And can we like roughly can we state that it will be like a 10 days after a head so that we can
maybe
plan
before
according to that?
maybe before Diwali we are expecting. Before Diwali.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Before 20th.
Thank you, sir.
Any other issues?
Restriction?
Any restriction on what?
Research paper, sir. How many papers it should be?
I don't get it. Hello?
Sir, any restrictions on research paper, sir? How many papers it should be on?
Only one paper per team. Per team, one paper only.
Research pages, sir.
Pages, it is ideal for 5 to 6 pages. 12 pages, up to 12 pages, it is allowed.
Okay, sir.
Any other sparks, regional sparks from AP?
Sir, it should be in the standard IEEE format or the format that has been provided by you?
Yeah, only that format, sir. Only provided by me. Because we are looking for uniformity.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, we have deployed our project on cloud. Do we need to deploy again it in GitHub, or that link, cloud link is?
Not required. Whatever, wherever you can deploy it, you please share that link only.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes, please.
can we publish research paper before competition, sir?
No, you can publish if you want to do. Otherwise, we are anyway, we are going to publish it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
If you can publish in any journal, in any reputed journal, it is fine. The same can be shared to us.
Okay, sir.
So, sir, a research paper cannot be more than 12 pages, sir.
Ideally, 12 pages, sir. If you want to publish, if you have a lot of this literature thing, you can go for 20 papers also, 20 pages also.
Okay, sir.
But preferred is 12 pages, maximum 12 pages is preferred. You can go. If that is a lot of literature is required, you can go.
Yes, sir.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Myself, Tarun Raj from RGKT. Sir, regarding the poster, what does the factors jury prioritize in poster presentations? Are like story detailing, story
No, sir,
detailing.
we have circulated the template. Accordingly, you can follow.
Regarding research paper, does the government bear the research paper publication to a specific journal, sir?
No, we only publish. You can publish in your if you have any access to any quality publication, you can also publish. But we compile and we can publish on behalf of AppSec.
Sir. Okay.
Sir, is any allowances or accommodation will be provided by government?
No. It is already there in a guidelines. You have to check your own accommodation. No TA, no DA for the participants and spots.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, does this research paper comes under documentation?
Documentation. And I would like to announce even the prize amount is also for winners, it is 50,000 rupees for each team. For runners, it is 30,000 rupees for each team. Along with this, you will also get the medals.
How many teams? Is there?
Sir, what will be the timings of the hackathon, sir? Either it will be on day or on overnight?
On a single day. It commences from 9 o'clock. It goes till 5, 6, 7, maybe as per the CM's appointment.
Sir, so the winners and runner-ups will be from the each statement like the previous, like we did in the previous session, or this?
Exactly. There will be 10 winners, there will be 10 runners.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, in the guidelines you have mentioned like all the accommodation will be taken care of by the government.
No, no,
Is
no.
it?
That is for jury members, not for participants.
Oh, okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
please.
good afternoon, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, you are asking the list of passed out students
Exactly.
for quantum computing jobs. So can we provide a list of the regular students also, sir? Because some of our students are also working on quantum computing algorithms.
100%. We require almost 50,000 students list database. But while submitting the data, you please ensure that he must be very innovative, very committed, and should learn the algorithms. And
Thank
please ensure that he already learned the Python as well as, because the
Yes, sir.
Python is the beginning course to go for Qiskit collecting.
Yes, sir. They are working on the real computer only, sir. IBM computer. They have taken subscription and everything, sir, for $80.
Wonderful.
Prototype is also completed, sir.
So such students I require, madam. Please share the database.
Yes, sir. Our hackathon students also, they are working on the subscription basis.
Hackathon students
And
already,
other students.
the database already with me. So anyway, all the hackathon participants will get jobs. Apart from that, we are looking for the recent pass outs also. Even the students pursuing who missed this bus. Unfortunately, some of the students, even more talented students, also missed this bus because they don't know at that time about this seriousness and commitment of the hackathon. So we want to give them again a chance.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thanks for your.
Any issues? Otherwise, we can close it. So I request, maybe in a day or two, we will share the link. Please please share your papers and posters, links, and also motivate all of your students to improve their solutions for the final hackathon, and inform them whoever can impress the IBM team will be getting jobs immediately in the IBM platform at Amravati itself. We are expecting by before March the IBM mission, and before March the students, the selected 100 students will be trained on algorithms at IBM facility. This is what we can announce from Akshay side.
Sir, what is the documentation page limit, sir?
Documentation limit is we are limiting for 12 pages. If you are you have more literature, you can go up to 20 pages. Yeah, you can submit tomorrow or day after tomorrow also. You can take 2-3 days, no issue.
Sir, could you recruit more than
20 pages is last.
20 pages is last. It is ideal. More than 20 pages, it will become book, not paper.
Sir, could you recruit more than 100 students? More than 100 students should impress the team, sir.
No, madam. Every team must publish only one paper, not individual students.
I'm asking about jobs, sir. I'm
Uh-huh.
asking about jobs, sir.
Yeah, jobs, everyone will be accommodated if they impress the IBM team with the solution.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, in the poster, we have uploaded a QR code. That would be our GitHub link, sir.
No, as per your wish, anyway, we will share the link from our side. You have to post it on that link.
No, sir. In the poster, we have to put a QR code. So, what is the QR code? Like, we have to put our GitHub link as a QR code, like a prototype.
Yeah. Wherever you have put your document, that QR code.
Okay, sir.
Ultimately, when it scans, it should reflect everything, your document.
Like our document or our prototype, sir?
Everything. Step by step.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So then we can close, and I wish you all the best, and we are looking for your greatest support in this wonderful event. And this is a real outcome where most of the participants can get jobs in the IBM Amravati Quantum Valley. Looking forward for your final visit to Amravati, right?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, excuse me. I would like to ask a question if it's possible.
Yes, please.
Yeah. So I just wanted to ask about the results regarding our papers. You see, my team right now, it's still working on the novel solution. So right now we have not as such started writing the
Please
paper
repeat
because
your
we're
answer.
still working on
Your
the
voice
novel
is
results.
low. Dr. Uday Kiran, please repeat your question. Your voice is very low. Come closer to a mic.
Yeah, can you hear me now, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. So my question is regarding the results with respect to our problem statement for the hackathon. Meaning, my team is still working on a novel solution. Like we have a theoretical foundation of as to what we want to work on, but we have still not applied it practically and got the results. We're still building out the circuit. So our results may or may not come. So with respect to that, we are supposed to write a paper and the poster. So if the results don't come, can we just present that like whatever we have got, or does it?
100% you can publish, but you have to you have to mention that the futuristic work you have to. So you have to mention in many cases that happens. You have to mention the 10th point if you observe the limitation and future work. So you have to mention under that category the limitations and future work. So the result has not come because of some limitations. So you are expecting in your future work, you have to mention that. Okay, sir? Hello?
Yeah, understood, sir. Understood, sir. Thank you so much.
Any other issues, please? Otherwise, we can close. We are looking forward for all your support in the future course of action, and wishing you all the best, dear students. You are really
Thank you, sir.
very blessed one. Very blessed one. This
Sir,
generation, this Gen Z is very blessed one. We are wishing to see you all in the Quantum Valley. Okay,
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, should everyone involved in the demo video, sir? Like all the team members?
Yeah. Every team member must be involved.
Okay, sir. Sir, and how should we upload the link, sir? Like can we upload this as a YouTube link, sir?
Which YouTube link?
The demo video, sir.
Yeah. You can upload.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anyway, you have to present on that day. You have to present and you have to demo on that day.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Shall we close? Any reasons you want to?
Hello.
Something? Yes.
Sir, coming to demo video, we have used AI voice, sir. Is it okay, sir, for clarity purpose?
AI voice is okay, but why can't your student can give the voice?
Yes, sir. We can definitely, sir. We just use for main clarity purpose.
Okay, we will allow.
It is nice one, sir.
We will allow.
So for demo video, we use only AI, sir. For our
Okay.
problem statement. Is that okay, sir?
Okay.
Thank you,
Sir, one last question, sir.
Yes.
Sorry for asking that question again. Like, I want a clarity about that IBM selecting 100 people. Like, you once you said they will select 100 people from the 600 members, like 600 students, and then you said again, like, if the 600 students are Excel, like they'll select all of them. Like, can I get a clarity on that? Like,
Sir, we require 50,000 people. But
okay.
not every Tom and Harry can be selected. They are looking for the world class people.
Okay.
The
Okay.
world class people means those who can excel. If the entire team can excel, that's why it is a teamwork. That is a
Okay.
teamwork.
Okay.
It doesn't mean that only team leader should explain. During this presentation, if every team member involves, and say for example, team leader may initiate the discussion, and the second person will take up the procedure, and the third person may explain the results, and the fourth
Yeah.
person may explain the show the step. Like this, if everybody is excels, if everybody gets into this algorithm kind of thing, then entire
Yeah.
team will be selected. Otherwise, maybe the team leader certainly takes the advantage.
Okay.
Right. This is
So
my concept.
that
So they are
yeah.
selecting, they are going to select only the world class people, not everybody. But the
Okay.
requirement is 50,000. Can we produce
Okay.
world class 50,000? We cannot produce. That's why we are offering a training. We are offering to establish quantum innovation centers in every college. That's why we are going to handhold every student. Before that, we are also going to handhold the faculty members, so that gradually we can produce 50,000 world class IBM uh, enthusiasts. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
So our goal is very ambitious to supply 50,000 students, but we cannot make it in 1 day or 2 days. So it will take maybe 6 months or 1 year. As per one recent study, during this IBM presentation itself, academic day at Bangalore, one resource person told us training 40,000 people, they took 10 years of time. But we can make it within 1 year because our people are very smart as far as the software is concerned. That is my confidence. So you have to give confidence to us. Okay. Okay, all the very best. Now I can leave this. Looking forward for your wonderful presentation on that day, and kindly make it complete posters as well as papers within couple of days, and we will share the links, and you can also submit that. Okay, bye.
Sir, thank you so much, sir.
Sir, excuse
Yeah.
me.
Yes, sir, please.
Sir, PPT and coding could explain chalo sir demo video lo.
Yeah, that is very much important, madam. That is very much required.
Sir, I can't hear you. Sorry.
That is very much required. That is very much required. So
Sir,
everything is on coding.
Duration kuda ఎంత ఉండాలి sir?
Duration may be within 10 minutes or 15 minutes based on the your innovative thoughts.
Okay sir, thank you.
Sir, it would be great that if you share all the updates in the website, sir.
Every update is there. You please visit website. Amaravati Quantum Hackathon website is there. Every update is there. And not only that, we are also sharing in group, WhatsApp group. Okay. I once again request all the Sparks, please share the updates to your students, please. Maybe
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are updating,
yeah,
sir.
maybe you are updating, madam. Maybe some Sparks may not be very active. I request please share to your students and motivate your students.
Sir,
Thank you.
does demo video should have implementation and coding part both?
Everything.
Okay, sir. And no use of like poster, PPT. We don't need that.
Post and PPT is different. This is different.
Okay, sir. Only demo video should contain prototype and then
Poster
coding part.
and paper are mandatory.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So we are also judging the final 100 people by paper also and post also. So these are different criteria.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I wish you all good luck. Now we're closing this session.
Okay, bye.